Hello, and welcome back to English with Wolfizzle, the only place on the internet where we throw the dusty old textbooks out the window and learn to speak real, natural, beautiful English. I am your host, Professor Wolfizzle. Today, we are going to talk about something we all have, but everyone's is a little bit different. The daily routine. And to discuss this, I have a brand new guest in the studio. Please welcome Sophie.
Hi, Professor. Hello, Wolfpack. I am so excited to be here. To be honest, I love talking about routines because I am a very organized person. Without a routine, my life is a disaster.
I am exactly the same, Sophie. If I don't have my morning coffee at exactly 7 a.m., the whole day feels wrong. Today, we want to help our listeners describe their day, from the moment they wake up until they go to sleep.
That's perfect. It's so useful for beginners because we use the present simple for routines. Things like, I wake up, I eat, I work.
Exactly. So, Sophie, let's start at the very beginning. What is the first thing you do every day?
Well, my alarm clock goes off at 6:30 a.m. I usually wake up immediately, but I don't get up right away. I stay in bed for 5 minutes to check the news on my phone.
Ah, that is a big difference for our listeners. To wake up means your eyes open. To get up means you actually leave the bed. Repeat after Sophie, Wolfpack.
I wake up at 6:30.
I get up at 6:35.
After I get up, I go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I like a very hot shower in the morning to wake me up fully.
And what about breakfast? Are you a breakfast person, Sophie? Oh, definitely. I have breakfast around 7:15. I usually have a bowl of oatmeal with fruit and, most importantly, a large cup of black tea. Tea? You sound very British. I usually have coffee. Listeners, notice we use the verb have for meals. I have breakfast. I have lunch. I have dinner.
After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes, and then I leave the house at 8 in the morning. I am lucky because I don't drive. I take the bus to work.
Taking the bus is a great time to listen to podcasts, like this one. What time do you start work, Sophie?
I start work at 8:30. I work in an office, so I spend a lot of time on the computer. Around 12:30, I have lunch with my colleagues. We usually go to a small park nearby if the weather is nice.
That sounds lovely. And when do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. Sometimes I go to the gym after work, but not every day. Usually I just go home and relax.
Go home. Notice we don't say go to home, just go home. Repeat that, listeners. I go home at 5 o'clock. When I get home, I make dinner. I enjoy cooking. It helps me forget about work. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book on the sofa. And how do you end your day?
I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I try to sleep for 8 hours so I have energy for the next day.
That is a very healthy routine, Sophie. Now, Wolfpack, let's look at some adverbs of frequency. These are words that tell us how often we do things.
Yes, like always, usually, sometimes, and never. For example, I always brush my teeth. I never drink soda for breakfast.
Let's practice. I will ask Sophie a question, and she will use an adverb. Sophie, do you drink coffee in the evening?
No, I never drink coffee in the evening. It keeps me awake.
Do you walk to work?
I sometimes walk if I miss the bus, but I usually take the bus.
Perfect. Listeners, where do we put the word? It goes before the main verb. I always eat. I sometimes sleep. Okay, time for a quick daily routine quiz. I will describe an action and you guess the phrase. Sophie will give the answer after 3 seconds. Number 1. To leave your bed in the morning.
To get up.
Number 2. To put on your clothes.
To get dressed.
Number 3. The meal you eat in the middle of the day.
Lunch.
Number 4. An adverb that means 0% of the time.
Never.
Number 5. What you do after work if you want to be fit.
Go to the gym.
Fantastic job! You are ready to describe your whole day in English. Sophie, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your routine.
Thank you, Professor. It was a pleasure. I hope our listeners have a very productive day.
And now it's time for your Wolf Pack homework.
Go to the comments and tell us, what is your morning routine? Use at least 3 verbs we learned today, like wake up, have breakfast, or leave the house.
I am going to read your routines from all over the world. Stay curious, stay organized, and keep talking. This is Professor Wolfizzle and Sophie signing off.
Bye-bye, everyone.